Choosing the right tools is a crucial step for anyone looking to succeed in the competitive world of Amazon selling. In the debate of StartupWise versus AMZScout, sellers are often left wondering which platform will best suit their needs, from data accuracy to comprehensive support and feature sets. Well, this video dives deep into the comparison between these two leading Amazon seller tools, exploring which one offers the best combination of reliability, support, and features to help your business thrive and help you make an informed decision. And by the way, if you would like to sign up to either StartupWise or AMZScout, make sure to use my links down in the description of this video. Those are my affiliate links, which means that if you click and sign up through them, I will receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, and I'll be very grateful for that. And with that in mind, let's get started. Data accuracy, a critical divergence. In any Amazon business, making decisions based on correct data is very important. StartupWise is known for getting its data right a lot of the time because it has been collecting and studying data for many years. It is 47% more accurate than AMZScout. This difference means a lot more than just having bigger numbers. With StartupWise being right 84% of the time, people selling stuff on Amazon don't risk losing money as much when they decide to sell new things. If you use AMZScout, which is only right 44% of the time, there's a bigger chance of making a mistake. This can lead to losing money because the product doesn't sell as expected. In the world of selling on Amazon, where every penny matters, having accurate data like what StartupWise offers helps sellers make better choices. This means they can feel more confident about what they're doing. So, StartupWise gives sellers a safer way to grow their business by being more accurate. Feature set, beyond product research. To do well on Amazon, sellers need more than just accurate data. They need a range of tools that can help their business grow over time. StartupWise gives sellers many tools, doing things like helping find suppliers and managing customer reviews. This wide set of tools means sellers can handle every part of selling on Amazon, from starting out to growing big with confidence. Unlike AMZScout, which has fewer tools, StartupWise supports sellers at every step, making complex tasks simpler. This support is crucial not only for researching products, but also for running a successful business day to day. So, StartupWise's full package of tools helps sellers at all stages, making it easier for them to succeed. User experience, a tie that demands a closer look. Both StartupWise and AMZScout have strong databases and tools for tracking, designed to be clear and easy to use. What a seller likes best can lead them to prefer one over the other, as both offer a smooth experience. However, looking deeper than just how easy the platforms are to use, StartupWise offers more. It has a better range of features and its data is more reliable. This makes a big difference in how useful the platform is day to day. Now, while both platforms are user-friendly, StartupWise stands out for making sellers' work not just easier, but also more effective. Expertise, support, and community, the intangibles that matter. Both StartupWise and AMZScout are strong when it comes to helping sellers with their knowledge, support, and community involvement. They offer many resources and ways to connect with other sellers. Yet, StartupWise goes a step further by having a support team that's always ready to help and lots of free advice and tips for selling on Amazon. This makes it a bit better for sellers looking for help and learning. Having a good support system and access to expert advice can make a big difference in a seller's success. So, StartupWise's extra support and resources make it an even more valuable choice for Amazon sellers. Pricing, calculating value beyond the tag. Choosing between StartupWise and AMZScout isn't just about which one costs less. It's about which one gives you more value for the money. StartupWise might cost more, but it offers a lot more tools and better data. This can lead to making more money and growing faster on Amazon. When you look at what you get for your money, StartupWise can be a better deal even though it costs more at first. So, thinking about the long-term benefits, StartupWise can be the smarter choice for sellers focused on growing their Amazon businesses. Now, when it comes to deciding between StartupWise and AMZScout, StartupWise stands out as the top choice for Amazon sellers who value dependable data, strong support, and a broad range of features that grow with their business. StartupWise's edge in data accuracy, extensive tools, and rich educational content lays a solid groundwork for any seller aiming for success. Both platforms offer value, but Scout's offerings are particularly compelling for those focused on long-term growth and profitability. It's crucial for sellers to pick a platform that matches their specific needs, whether they're concerned with the quality of the data, the range of features, or how much they're spending. With Scout, sellers also have the security of a money-back guarantee, making it possible to test its extensive features without risk. Ultimately, choosing Scout means opting for a partner who can help elevate your Amazon business to new heights. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up to either Scout or AMZScout, I'm going to leave my affiliate links down in the description of this video for your convenience. Now, if you click and you sign up through them, I'll receive a small commission at no extra cost to you, which I'll be very grateful for. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.